Mahalakshmi Dhobi Ghat is an open-air laundry place in Mumbai. It is located at Mahalakshmi railway station in southern Mumbai. The washers, known as dhobis, work in the open to clean clothes and linens from Mumbai's hotels and hospitals.
It's my friend poor people.
They're ironing.
You ironing the 7 kg.
7 kg.
7 kg. You iron. One time the
How much pay? How much does it cost to
one
iron?
one
7
clothes
kg.
one clothes 2 rupees.
One clothes 2 rupees.
2 rupees.
Dhobi Ghat was constructed in 1890. Over 1 lakh, that is 100,000 pieces of clothes, are washed each day. Some of the wealthier dhobis have installed large mechanical washing and drying machines.
It's putting a lot. Is it electric?
Electric.
Electric.
Hydro machine. This way.
Now it's gonna spin. Wait.
ये क्या हुआ? मालूम है मेरे को मालूम है मेरे को मत बता.
The dhobis collect clothes from all corners of the city, from Colombo to Vihar. The Dhobi Ghat laundry has over 700 washing stations where the hands do the washing. This huge open space is the world's largest outdoor laundry. For washing each piece of clothes, the dhobis will charge you 10 rupees, an extra 10 rupees for ironing. The water used here is provided by the government free of charge.
Hello. Namaste.
The dhobis sleep in small houses next to their washing stations within the laundry space. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in comments how do you wash your clothes, and enjoy the walk through the world's largest laundromat.
We are here at Mahalakshmi station in Mumbai. Do you know the blockbuster, the Bollywood blockbuster called Dhobi Ghat? That's the reason why we are here. Just across the street, there is a big laundry. So let's go and explore this place. Wow, there is even a viewpoint. Have a look. You can already see the jeans hanging. Wow. So Dhobi Ghat is one of the biggest open-air laundromat. It was established already in 1890s, so it's over 130 years old. Here you can find those dhobis. Dhobi is the person who is the washer, who is doing the laundry for the many of the Mumbai's hotels and restaurants and hospitals. So let's have a look inside.
So I introduce myself. My name is Samir. I am the local guys from here. I am doing the tour over here. So we are in the laundry, the biggest laundry in the world. This laundry was specially made by the British people, 140 years old,
So why did they make it?
to wash the cloth of the British people soldiers uniform.
Of the soldiers.
From since that this is undertaking by Indian government.
Mhm.
So altogether like 3 to 4,000 people work here every day.
How much do they earn?
They earn like $100 a month. Indian money like 8,000, 9,000 rupees a month.
Oh.
Is the average salary over here.
Uh-huh.
So they work like 8 to 10 hours a day. Each and every person has got his own customers belonging to hotels, hospital, railways, local areas. So all the Mumbai laundry they comes here, and every day we wash 100,000 pieces of clothes or more than that. And these are the houses where they live. So the employees they live here.
Oh,
Like
wow.
4 to 5, 5 to 10 people lives in one house. 1 year these people they works here, and after making some money they go to village to see their families.
Do they pay rent or
No,
is
no,
it?
no, no, no. That is all looked by the boss.
Oh, okay.
So these are the cubicles.
I hope I'm not gonna get washed my.
Oh, pani hai na.
Hello, namaste. Hey,
और क्या बोलते चाचू?
hope it was clean water, not.
Like this cubicles, from there we start.
And the detergent they have to buy.
They bring from the market. The soap and detergent they had to brought from the market. Only we bring the clothes from the customer, we wash, and after 2 days we give it back.
Oh, okay, okay. So each
With
piece
ironing
of
20 rupees.
eh?
With ironing
Time
ironing 20 rupees.
20.
And only washing 10 rupees.
So 10 rupees for washing, another 10 rupees for ironing.
Ironing.
I get it.
This is all the brand new clothes they manufacture in Indian factories. Before they export, they sell it to the market. They come here for the pre-wash. Here they do the pre-wash, and after pre-wash, all these clothes export.
They can go to export.
Yeah.
Oh wow. But that's very small.
Yes.
That's very small.
No, it's very big. No, it's very big.
For the export.
Yeah. No,
India
it's here
exports
also.
like so much, but it's still India exports so much. So if you buy a clothes in Europe, there is a very high chance that it was washed just here.
Using the clothes which are dirty coming from the railways, they get boiled here to kill the germs and infection.
Like in a water.
In a boiled water, yeah.
Like the water boils. Wow, that's intense. Like imagine 7,000 people here washing, living. Wow.
So we never lost a cloth. Each and every cloth is marked, and that going to the right person. So this is all the jeans from the locals.
Incredible that there's clothes everywhere, but still 100,000 in a day. Wow.
And we never lost.
Folding. They already have it trained. How are you?
My friend.
What's your name?
My name is Shaukat.
Shokot?
Shaukat.
Shokot? You work here?
Yeah.
What do you do?
Dhobi Ghat.
Dubi. You are Dubi. The real Dubi.
Dhobi.
So what do you do? You wash?
Wash.
You wash. Now this you wash?
Dish wash. Kapra wash.
Kapra wash? Where? Here?
ये machine.
Here. You have machine.
Machine.
With machine. Wow, it's big. It's really big.
ये अपना नेट पे छोड़ देंगे.
Eh?
नेट पे.
What is your name? Home. Yes.
What's your name?
Can I come? Can I come?
Wait, no, because your shoes are dirty. So this place generates 100 crore rupees every year. That's insane. Have a look upstairs where they hang the clothes for air drying. That's $12 million every year. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. It's really hot and dry inside and very intense. They're washing so much clothes. This place, you can even know it from the Bollywood movie, from the Dhobi Ghat, but also you can know it from books, from the Guinness Book, because in 2011 it made the world record of most people hand washing clothes. I hope you enjoyed.